Hello, Tero here. Going to share a mini proposal workshop, Fund 7 closing report. So the project started. I opened the mini proposal workshop session in 9th February and closed it in 5th May after organizing the voting results for the proposals. Regarding challenge KPIs, we had around 25 participants who joined in total of 6 mini proposal workshops. In these sessions, we facilitated the creation of valuable proposals based on everyone's expertise. This proposal outputs video content, workshop sessions, proposal templates, and documentation. From session, we tracked 7 proposals. And we did not focus on onboarding proposal assessors. Unclear how much insight these workshops gave to that role. Here are the 7 proposals, their scoring, and very nice results of all of these proposals were approved by the Catalyst voters. And 2 of them got funded. Now, related to KPIs, I am looking to measure with these proposals is the percent of proposals which are over 3.8 score. And so we see a nice steady increase of that score, which is 63% currently. And below here, I also compared how this score could be comparable, and currently this is 70% of these proposals that are over 3.8 score. So it's nice to see. So, statistically, it's good. Although it's a small example, still. The average amount of people in this session was 5.5. The participant proposal quality is increasing, and these open workshops seem to attract and help community approve proposals. However, the YouTube reach has been reduced. I started measuring average view duration for better insights into the video quality. For now, it's very telling that as soon as the proposal finalization stage is over, there will be no interest in mini proposal workshop videos. Key achievements. Proposal workshops were held in different time zones and different town hall events, covering a diverse set of people I usually don't meet. Events were quickly coordinated and organized, and some internal improvements, internal coordination improvements. Key learnings. People are willing to join this event on its own time slot. Previously, people only joined in Catalyst after Town Hall. These workshops videos can potentially give the community context about proposal and proper competency to describe their idea. Each workshop is long and variables change based on the people participating. So it's hard to build continuity and train the proposer to fully finish the workshop. For the next steps, record each step separately and create a course to use mini proposal template. Better Twitter strategy, potentially use some project management tools, for example, Dwork, give subtitles to course videos, and rewarding participants with Kimball tokens. Final thoughts. I think similar workshops should always be in place for those who want to actively participate in proposal ideation and insight sharing. And then link to relevant sources, which is Maribor. Actually, I had it open. And it largely remains the same structure. Top here, you have the videos. Left side, you have the latest workshop template. On the right side, you have some project management updates and details. And in the middle down here is the full details of workshop. So you could separately look at it, or what is the good description, what motherboard was used, and the video itself. But here I collected the main information also below, so we can see workshop 12, the ideation, copy pasted here, video description, video itself, and the participants, and still you can go to the motherboard here. A special episode, that's why a little less information, and so it repeats ideation, video, people, description. And if you go on the right side and want to learn more about that specific proposal or how did they do, then you can jump into the open Excel file where I track all the participant proposals, what score they did get, and how the workshop videos were doing in the YouTube. And yeah, these are like the main things to share. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching.